Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Slack in Notion. By the end, you'll have 2 clean, dependable ways to bring Slack content into your Notion pages, plus 1 quick workspace setting that helps those previews display correctly. Let's start with the fastest method, pasting a Slack message as a preview in Notion. In Slack, open the message you want to reference. Click the 3-dot menu next to that message and choose Copy Link. Now switch over to your Notion page and paste that link right where you want it to appear. When Notion asks how you'd like to handle the link, select Paste as Preview. You'll see a compact block that shows the message content, the channel it came from, and the reply count. This is perfect for context, rich notes, meeting records, or project documentation where you want readers to understand exactly which discussion you are referencing without jumping back and forth between apps. If you are organizing several related messages, space them out with headings or dividers in Notion so everything stays easy to scan. If you prefer a cleaner, more compact reference that opens Slack in a new tab, use a web bookmark instead. In your Notion page, type a / and start typing web bookmark. Then select the web bookmark option. Paste the same Slack URL and press Enter. Notion will generate a clickable card that keeps the page tidy while still providing one-tap access to the full conversation in Slack. This works especially well on dashboards or project hubs, where you want a concise set of links rather than inline previews. You can drag the card to reposition it and pair it with your notes, tasks, or timelines to keep everything connected. To make sure these links unfurl reliably, head to your Notion workspace settings. Open Settings and Members. Then go to Connections. From here, connect your workspace so Notion can properly recognize and display Slack links. This step helps ensure you get the richest possible previews and that your links behave consistently for teammates. Keep in mind that Notion will only show what your Slack permissions allow. So if a link points to a private location you don't have access to, you'll see limited details. For team pages, it's a good idea to use links that everyone on the page can open. That's it. Use Paste as Preview when you want inline context, and use the web bookmark card for a clean clickable link. Connect your workspace in Notion's connections to keep everything working smoothly. Thanks for watching.